Alright, today going to have something very simple to fix it. This is my Lexus 2015. I back it up to my garage door and it hit right here and also hit right here, but it's okay. This is very seamless, so I'm not going to replace the bumper, but the spoiler is crap. I look online, have something that look almost the same as this right here, and they also paint too for $98 on eBay. So I got that order and just came today, so I'm going to install that. This is the new one, and paint everything looks very similar to it. The quality is very good. They were saying that they're using DuPont paint and do like 2 stage on this, and I feel like okay, it's not too bad for $100. So let's say if I buy a black one that without painting, I buy the paint everything and paint myself, probably cost more than $98. And this guy already have the spoiler and paint, screw, everything, and for that price, it's unbeatable, you know. And call the dealership, this not even cost a fraction of the dealership price. So I'm gonna put this one, so just, you know, holding tight so we can install this together. Made in USA too, so which is not bad. Okay, right under here you have this trim. You have the trim pin right there. If you don't, you can use a screwdriver, or you can use a trim tool like this. If you don't have one, you can use pliers like this. Okay, I'm gonna use pliers. For me, pliers is easier. Just pull out. See it? Okay. If you use the trim, you just slide your trim inside here and snap, they will come out. But I use this, so for me, I feel like easier. Okay. So take all of this out. Up here, this thing just falling apart like that. Okay, the last pins come out, and they're just holding down. There's a 10mm bolt holding. They had about 4 of this, okay, across the wing. When you do it, just take the bolts out. So as you get 4 bolts out, what you have to do is just go outside and try to pry it out. I'm not sure, people call this rope or this is string, okay? I think string is smaller than rope. So I will do is I'll put the string under here and scissor it, slide this out. I'm going to have this slide under. We can slide some more, cut through the tape. Now as I come to here, because this is a bolt right here holding that, and because the 4 bolts that hold inside here, so I'm going to skip this right here and insert a little bit past the bolt inside here. Okay, then grab from this side. Okay, now when you're passing, do the same thing. So from this side, you can start it from the other end, push the metal. There. So it come out just like that. To remove this 3M, I want to buy the eraser wheels, and that is the part number SMT5400, and you can attach this wheel to any drill. This the design pretty much to erase the you know, this kind of 3M tape. Just lock it in and turn to a low speed. Okay, see, my drill have set 1 and set 2. Set 2 is fast, set 1 is slow. Okay. After using the disc, erase this to send all those sticker. So I'm going to using ultra cold polish to wax the partial that when you using the disc to erase it, and all the clear coat mark on it before I put this new spoiler. You can do by hand or just buy one of this and do some small spot like this. Or if you have a drill, I mean the buffer machine, even better. I have that, but just because I do a small spot only, so that's why I use the drill. Now as the new one, a little bit different because they don't have the same style as the OEM. The OEM is coming with that, but the new one, they're just coming in a regular bolt like this, screw, okay, and attached with this little sponge to blocking the water for leaking. Gonna patch right here and do to all four. On this right here does not come with the glue stick, double tape on it. I bought some and I'm going to put double tape just like this one right here. It will secure my spoiler just like the OEM. You can buy this at Walmart, AutoZone, O'Reilly, Napa, any of these auto place. They do have this 3M tape. So I'm going to tape from here. So after I tape it, I'm going to peel the first layer. Line up with the hole inside here. So that make sure is closing by the hole that pre-drill in there. If you put in there, it's hard to move it because you can't see it. So you can go under here and make sure align with the little dot. So now the hole is aligned, so I'm gonna get a screwdriver first. Okay, put your screws in. Make sure all the holes line evenly. If you put the screws in, I mean the tape's on, so it can't move no more. So you don't have to be over screw it. You can strip this and then you're done. So if you feel like tight enough, then that's it. You don't want to over too tight, you will strip that plastic spoiler. Okay, let's see it, how beautiful it is. Very beautiful. Look as good as OEM for $100, so it's not bad. can't tell that if, you know, this is aftermarket stuff. It looks exactly the same as an OEM. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe. Bye bye now.